Hello YouTube, Computer Geek 1416 here, giving you guys an unboxing of the new Moto G6. This just came out yesterday in North America, and it's had a really weird release schedule. Like, it's been out in Europe and other countries for about 2 weeks now, 2 or 3 weeks now, but it's just now starting to come out in the US. So I kind of wonder if there's been production issues or maybe regulatory approval. I don't know, but it's been kind of strange. Like, for example, it's at Best Buy now, but on the Motorola's website it still says it's up for pre-order, so I don't know. It's what to think about that. But anyway, nonetheless, it's out now, and I'm pretty excited to try it out. It seems like the most premium Moto G phone yet, so I'm really looking forward to it. I'm trying to show the bottom because it's got the ESN information on it. It's got a nice texture to it. I really like this box design. You can pause and read that if you want. Just basically copyright information, it looks like. Alright, let's get the tape pulled off here. Trying to preserve the box as much as I can because I like to resell my phones, so having the box seems to really help, the original box. So anyway, let's take the top off, and here's the phone itself. Feels really nice. Like I said, it's definitely the most premium feeling Moto G yet. It's glass now, which makes it feel more like a, if you're familiar with like the Galaxy S8 or S9, it's got that all glass design. This now has that. It's nice to see that in mid-range phones now. Yeah, it feels really premium in the hand. Does not feel cheap one bit. It feels like it could be a lot more expensive, so it's really nice. There's a fingerprint sensor there. A USB-C port, which is really nice to see. Headphone port, which some phones are getting rid of, unfortunately, but this still has it, which is nice. I'm sorry it's hard to see. The phone's all black, but anyway, you got a power button here. Your SIM card tray. Top, nothing. And nothing on the side either. Yeah, I just can't get over how nice this phone feels. I mean, it's compared to my G5S Plus I had before this. It felt nice too, but this feels even better. So you got the dual cameras on the back here. All right, let's go back to let's turn it on here in a second. Let's look and see what else we have in the box. Hello, Moto. By the way, I'll have better lighting and white balance and everything in the review, so don't worry about that. I just wanted to get this unboxed real quick. The README guide. Talk about like the SIM tray, and it's got a micro SD card slot, which is nice. SIM removal tool, also nice to see. Safety information. A USB-C cable. Once again, I'm really glad to see this now. That is now becoming standard. And the turbocharger, which is always convenient. And that's it for the box. Okay, so let's go back to the phone itself, which once again I'm really impressed with so far, but let's go ahead and turn it on. There's also a volume rocker on the side, I forgot to mention. Same size as the power button. It's actually dead. It's funny, usually when I unbox, all the times I've unboxed phones in the past, it's always had enough power to turn on, but apparently this time it's not the case. No big deal or anything, I'll just charge it up, and I'm not going to set it up on camera or anything, there really is no point of that, but I will go ahead and say a few specs about it. It's got a, sorry, I'm blanking out on the name of the processor at the moment. I'll put a thing there, but I know it's got 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, 5.7 inch 18 by 9 display, which basically means it's taller than your typical phone. Again, the Samsung phones have that as well. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the specs. It's also got stock Android 8.0 Oreo, which is always awesome. I love stock Android, so yep. Well, anyway, that's about it for the unboxing. I'll definitely be more prepared in the review. I just wanted to get this unboxed on camera real quick. But yeah, so I'll be back in a few weeks with a full-fledged review. See you guys then.